Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Maths class. In last class, what we learned? In last class, we learned definition of parabola. We learned what is focus, what is directrix, what is axis of the parabola, and we derived equation of parabola and what is standard form of equation of parabola. In our syllabus, how many types of parabolas are there? See, y square equal to 4x is a parabola open towards right side. Y square equal to minus 4x is a parabola open towards left side. X square equal to 4ay is a parabola open upward direction and all the formulas related to it. And fourth type is x square equal to minus 4ay is a parabola open towards downward direction and all the formulas related to it. These are the things till now we learned in this parabola. Understanding the first class is important to do exercise problems. In case if you not watched that last class, please find the playlist of conic section and you please go through what is parabola, what are the formulas, what is vertex, what is focus, what is directrix, what is length of latus rectum. Please learn all those things. Then you can understand these exercise problems very easily. If you don't know what is focus, what is axis, what is directrix, what is length of latus rectum, what you will understand in these exercise problems. So it is important. You must be good in theory part of the parabola. Okay. You see, in this question number 1 to 6 in exercise number 10.2, what they are asking? They are asking find focus, axis of the parabola, equation of directrix, length of latus rectum. Total 4 things they are asking in these 6 questions. Let's start with the first question. You observe this parabola y square equal to 12x. This parabola is of which form? Y square equal to 4ax form, right? So y square equal to 4x is a parabola open towards right side. That you need to know. Now compare this equation with this. In all these 6 problems, first we will find a value. Compare y square equal to 12x with y square equal to 4ax. You can observe here x coefficient is 4a, here x coefficient is 12. That means what is 4a? 4a is 12. Okay. Now what is a? A is 12 by 4. 12 by 4 is 3. First you find a value. Here two things. You can by heart the formulas of y square equal to 12x and you can do the problems. But if you by heart the formulas, there is a chance you may forget the thing. So for that, easy method is draw a rough diagram. Here, y square equal to 12x is a parabola open towards right side. You draw the diagram, rough diagram. Please observe. First, you draw one fixed line and one fixed point. You choose the midpoint of between this fixed point and fixed line and draw the parabola. After that, you just draw x-axis, y-axis. You will get y square equal to 4ax parabola. Once you are able to draw y square equal to 4ax parabola, no need to memorize all the things. In this total 4 things they are asking. First one is focus and second one is axis. You observe this is the focus now. Focus is on x-axis. So it is a comma 0, right? Focus is a comma 0. Axis is what? Axis is x-axis. You can write axis of the parabola as x-axis. If they ask equation of axis, equation of x-axis y equal to 0. Focus is a comma 0. What is a? As a is 3, focus is 3 comma 0. Next, they are asking axis. What is axis of this parabola? Axis of this parabola is x-axis. If they ask equation of axis, you write equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Next, they are asking equation of directrix. You observe here, this is directrix. Directrix is parallel to y-axis. If any line is parallel to y-axis, its equation starts with x equal to. We know this length is a, right? It is left side of the origin. So This equation is x equal to minus a. So equation of directrix is x plus a equal to 0. If you can draw this diagram, no need to memorize these formulas. That is what I am trying to say. Equation of directrix is x plus a equal to 0. What is a? A is 3. X plus 3 equal to 0. Next one is they are asking us to find length of latus rectum. In our syllabus, whatever the parabolas are there, in all the parabolas, length of latus rectum is 4a. We know this is the latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 4a. A is 3, so 4 into 3 is 12. So length of latus rectum is 12. I hope you understand. The main thing is no need to by heart all these formulas. You just draw the diagram. You just observe up to sixth problem. By the end of sixth problem, you will only come to know that how to learn the formulas easily without by hearting the formulas. Now we'll move to next question. You observe this parabola. For this parabola, what is focus, what is axis, what is equation of directrix, what is length of latus rectum, you need to find. For that, you just find a value first. To find a value, this equation is of which form? If you observe, we have four formulas now: y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. We have four formulas, na? Four types of parabolas. Na? This parabola is which type? You observe, this is of this type, x square equal to 4ay. So compare this equation with x square equal to 4ay. Here y coefficient is 4a, here y coefficient is 6. That means 4a is 6. From this, a is 6 divided by 4. 6 by 4 is what? That is 3 by 2. So we got a value. Now x square equal to 4ay is which type of parabola? Like parabola open upward, downward, left, right, like that. X square equal to 4ay is a parabola open upward direction, right? If you want to draw the diagram, draw the rough diagram. How to draw? First, you take one fixed point. Next, you consider one fixed line. You choose midpoint between them and then draw the parabola open upward direction. Afterwards, axis and x-axis like this. You just draw the rough diagram. If you can draw the diagram of x square equal to 4ay, then you can easily say what is its focus. As focus is on y-axis, focus formula is 0 comma a. Focus is 0 comma a. 0 comma what is a? A is 3 by 2. So focus is 0 comma 3 by 2. Next one is axis. For this parabola, axis is what? Axis is y-axis. Axis of this parabola x square equal to 6y is y-axis. Next, we need to find equation of directrix. You observe, this is the directrix. Na? This directrix is parallel to x-axis. If any line is parallel to y-axis, its equation starts with y equal to. We know that this length is a and this is below the origin, right? So this is y equal to minus a. So this is y equal to minus a, y plus a equal to 0 is the formula for equation of directrix. Equation of directrix formula is y plus a equal to 0. If you know this diagram, you can draw, you can easily say that no need to memorize this. Okay. Y plus a. What is a? A is 3 by 2. Y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Next one is length of latus rectum. Whatever the parabolas we have, in all the parabolas, length of latus rectum formula is 4a only. As a is 3 by 2, length of latus rectum is what? That is 4 into 3 by 2. So what you will get? You will get 6. Length of latus rectum is 6. Many students, they'll confuse while finding a value when minus is there in the equation. But no need to confuse. First point, you just observe this is which type of parabola. This is y square equal to minus 4x, second type. We have this type of parabolas now, four types of parabolas: y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax. You observe easily we can say that this is second type, y square equal to minus 4x, because in the question here minus is there. So you compare this equation with y square equal to minus 4ax. When you compare here, x coefficient is minus 4a, Here x coefficient is minus 8. Do not confuse. X coefficient is minus 4a. Here x coefficient is minus 8. Minus 4a equal to minus 8. Directly you can write 4a equal to 8 also. Just direct comparison. In this parabola, y square equal to minus 4ax, x coefficient is minus 4a, here x coefficient is minus 8, directly we written, okay. From this, what is a? A is 8 by 4, 8 by 4 is 2. After getting a value, this is which type of parabola? Parabola open towards left side. If you don't want to by heart the formulas, you just draw the diagram of y square equal to minus 8x. How to draw? Y square equal to minus 8x is a parabola open towards left side. For that, you draw diagram like this. First, you choose one fixed point and then you choose one fixed line. Decide the midpoint between them and draw the parabola. This is the parabola of y square equal to minus 4x. After that, x-axis, that means axis, and y-axis. You observe this is the parabola of y square equal to minus 4x. For this focus, when focus is on negative x-axis, what is the formula of focus? Focus is minus a comma 0. So what is a here? A is 2. Observe carefully. A is 2. Formula is minus a. That means minus 2 comma 0. So the focus is minus 2 comma 0. Next, axis of the parabola. See here, parabola is symmetrical about its axis. Axis is what? Axis is x-axis. Axis of this parabola is x-axis. Now, equation of directrix. You observe this directrix is parallel to y-axis. If any line is parallel to y-axis, its equation starts with x equal to. This distance is a units. This is right side of the origin. So this is x equal to a. Equation of directrix is x minus a equal to 0. X minus, what is a? A is 2. X minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation of directrix to the parabola y square equal to minus 8. Next, length of latus rectum. In our syllabus, whatever the parabolas are there, in all parabolas, length of latus rectum formula is 4a, right? 4 into, what is a? A is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So, length of latus rectum to this parabola y square equal to minus 8x is 8. I hope you are understanding solutions of these problems. Now you observe this parabola. This parabola is of which form? See, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. Like this we have types of parabolas. Na? We can easily understand that this parabola is of the form x square equal to minus 4ay. So compare this equation with x square equal to minus 4ay. Here y coefficient is minus 4a, here y coefficient is minus 16, right? So minus 4a equal to minus 16. From this, what is a? A is 16 divided by 4, so a is 4. You got a value. Now you observe x square equal to minus 4ay parabola open which side? X square equal to minus 4ay parabola open downward direction. X square equal to minus 4ay type. It is a parabola open downward direction. How to draw the rough diagram? You take one fixed point, you take one fixed line, choose the midpoint between them and then draw the parabola downward direction. Afterwards, axis, x-axis. You observe this parabola. For this parabola, focus is on negative y-axis. So what is focus formula? Focus formula is 0 comma minus a. See, as it is on negative x-axis, focus is 0 comma minus a. As we got a is 4 here, you write focus is 0 comma minus 4. Next one is axis. Parabola is symmetrical about its axis. Now, what is axis? Axis is y-axis. For this parabola, axis is y-axis. What is equation of directrix? You observe this is directrix. Directrix is parallel to x-axis. If any line is parallel to x-axis, its equation starts with y equal to. We know that this is a units, this is above the origin, so y equal to a is the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is y equal to a, that is y minus a equal to 0. As a is 4, y minus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of directrix. In all the parabolas, they are asking us to find length of latus rectum. In all the parabolas, length of latus rectum formula is 4a, right? Here is equal to 4 into what is a? A is 4. 4 fours are 16. So, length of latus rectum is 16. You observe this fifth question and first question, they are similar. I want you to try this fifth question your own as per this first question. You see this sixth question? The sixth question is similar to this fourth question, right? So, this fifth question, sixth question, I want you to try your own. However, I'll write the solutions of fifth question, sixth question. You can find this handwritten notes in our app BR Maths class. You know that we have our own Android app BR Max Class. If you want to support our channel, this full chapter is available in our app along with handwritten notes for a very nominal price. You observe in question number 7 to 12 what they are asking, find the equation of the parabola which satisfies given conditions. You observe this seventh question, eighth question. In both the questions, they given focus and directrix. They are asking us to find equation of parabola. You observe this when they given focus and directrix, how to find equation of parabola. Here, whatever parabolas we have, total four types of parabolas are there. Y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. In all the parabolas, unknown thing is a only to find equation of parabola. So if you want to find equation of parabola, if you know the value of a, you can easily find equation of parabola. That a value will substitute in the respective equation, you will get equation of parabola. Okay, you observe here focus. When it comes to focus, you see in first type focus formula is a comma 0. Second type focus formula is minus a comma 0. Third type focus formula is 0 comma a. Fourth type focus formula is 0 comma minus a. So as it is a comma 0, we can easily understand this is the focus for the parabola y square equal to 4x. By seeing this focus only we can say what is a? What is a? A is 6. I hope you are understanding. As the given focus is 6 comma 0, we can easily say that a is 6. What you want to find? You want to find equation of parabola. As it is focus is a comma 0 form, equation of parabola will be of the form y square equal to 4ax. This is the required equation. In this, if you know a value, that a value will substitute and we will get the equation of parabola. Here, as they given a is 6, substitute a value 6 in this. Y square equal to 4a. A is 6. So, what is y square equal to 24x? What is this y square equal to 24x? This is the equation of parabola for that focus is 6 comma 0 and directrix is x equal to minus 6. These problems are very easy. You observe this eighth question. They given focus and directrix. We need to find equation of parabola. Actually, this information is not needed. From this only we can say focus. When it comes to focus, we have total four types of focuses. A comma 0, minus a comma 0, 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a. See, easily we can say that this comes under fourth type. Fourth type of parabola is what? It is x square equal to minus 4ay. What I am trying to say here, a value you can easily say when you compare the focus with these four types of focuses. Yes, what is a? A is 3. I hope you are understanding. See here, minus a, minus a, minus a is minus 3. That means a is 3. As focus is 0 comma minus a, equation of parabola is x square equal to minus 4ay. In this x square equal to minus 4ay, you just substitute a value, you will get required equation of parabola. As a is 3, I'll write a value. X square equal to minus 12y. You observe this ninth question and 10th question. What they given? They given vertex focus. Vertex focus. You need to find equation of parabola. As they given focus in these two problems, same what way you did this 7th question, 8th question, with the same procedure you can do this 9th question and 10th question. As vertex is 0, 0, focus is 3, 0. Focus is 3, 0 means whatever 4 types of focuses we have, in that this is of the form a, 0. From this we can easily say that a value is 3. For which parabola focus is a, 0? For the parabola y square equal to 4ax, focus is a, 0. So required equation of parabola is y square equal to 4x. If you know a value, just substitute a value here. Here, as per the given data, we got a value is 3. You put a value 3 in this. What you will get? Y square equal to 4 into 3 into x. Y square equal to 12x. This is the required equation of parabola. You observe in 10th question, they given vertex and focus. They are asking equation of parabola. This focus they given, whatever focuses we have in that, one is a, 0. First type focus is a, 0. Second type focus is minus a, 0. You can easily compare here. Given focus is second type. Second type equation is what? Y square equal to minus 4ax. Parabola open towards left side, right? So by comparing these two, we can easily say a value. Minus a is minus 2. From that, a is 2. As it is second type of parabola, equation of parabola is y square equal to minus 4ax. In this, you just substitute a value. So y square equal to minus 8x is the equation of parabola. For that, focus is minus 2, 0. Vertex is 0, 0. You observe this 11th question, vertex is 0, 0. Whatever 4 parabolas we learn, in all 4 parabolas, vertex is 0, 0. It is not much useful information. Passing through 2, 3, that means you want to find equation of parabola. Na? That parabola is passing through 2, 3. And axis along x-axis. This information is important. Axis along x-axis. See, first type of parabola, axis is x-axis. Second type of parabola also axis is x-axis. That means first type of parabola will be like this. The parabola lies in first and fourth quadrant. Try to understand. Parabola lies in first and fourth quadrant. And second one is parabola open towards left side. Parabola will be like this. This parabola lies in second and third quadrant. Here important thing is, as they mentioned, parabola passes through 2, 3. Its second type it cannot be because 2, 3 lies in first quadrant. Look here, this is 2, 3. This information is important. Please try to understand. Axis is x-axis. Two types of parabolas are there. Y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax. As they mentioned, parabola passes through 2, 3. Definitely this is first type only because in first type means y square equal to 4x. In this parabola, the parabola passes through first and fourth quadrants. As they mentioned, this parabola passes through 2, 3. 2, 3 lies in first quadrant. We can say that required equation of parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Let required equation of parabola is y square equal to 4x. I taken y square equal to 4x because by observing the given data, the parabola will be in this form. In this, I don't know a value, but I know that this parabola passes through this point. As they given this parabola passes through this point, I can substitute 2, 3 in this. In place of x, you write 2. In place of y, you write 3. Then you will get the value of a. Once you got a value, equation of parabola, you can write very easily. In place of y, you write 3. 3 square is 9 equal to 4ax. X is 2. Okay. From this, what is a? A is 9 divided by 8. So we got a value. This a value you substitute in this equation. Therefore, equation of parabola is y square equal to 4x. As we got a value, substitute a value here. Y square equal to 4a. A is what? 9 by 8 into x. 4 in this 2 times. You can simplify this or you can stop here. You just take this 2 to this side. What you will get? You will get that 2y square equal to 9x. This is the required equation of parabola. This parabola 100% passes through this point. In case if you have any doubt, you substitute 2, 3 in this. It must and should satisfy. If it is not satisfying, then something went wrong, right? See, in this also we need to find equation of parabola. Vertex is 0, comma 0. Whatever four types of parabolas we have, in all four types, vertex is 0, comma 0. So this is not much useful information. And parabola passes through point 5, comma 2. We know 5, comma 2 lies in first quadrant. And that parabola is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Parabola is symmetric with respect to y-axis means from this they are trying to say that axis of the parabola is y-axis. Axis of the parabola is y-axis means total two types of parabolas are possible. One is parabola upward direction, one is parabola downward direction. Axis is y-axis. If parabola is upward direction, it lies in first and second quadrant. As this point is 5, comma 2 is in first quadrant, we want to find this parabola equation. Third type, parabola open upward. That means required equation of parabola is what? X square equal to 4ay. See, this parabola never passes through 5, comma 2 because this parabola is not in the first quadrant. I hope you are understanding. So what is required equation of parabola? X square equal to 4ay. Required equation of parabola is x square equal to 4ay, and they given that this x square equal to 4ay passes through 5, comma 2. So in this equation you put x equal to 5, y equal to 2 to get a value. X is 5, na? 5 square is 25 equal to 4a into y is 2. If you simplify this, you will get a value is 25 divided by 8. This a value now you substitute in this equation. Therefore, equation of parabola is x square equal to 4ay. This a value you substitute in this. X square equal to 4a. A is 25 by 8. Y. This 4 in this 8, it will get cancelled 2 times. If you simplify this, you will get that 2x square equal to 25. Y. So this is the required equation of parabola. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please drop a like and share this video with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.